Arpan, hi. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, yeah. Managing the madness as usual. What's up with you?
Yeah, I can understand what you're going through, man. I don't know if this is what we had signed up for.
Yeah.
But anyway, I know you're busy, so I'll just cut this short. Did you receive my email, which I sent you last night?
Email. No, yeah. No, what was that about?
See, I need you to release Nitin for 1 week. I need an extra resource for my product launch.
Release Nitin. What are you
Mm.
saying, Jesse? His hands are full. Nitin is working currently on my product feature and is going to be occupied for the entire week. My product release is due next week itself.
I know what you're working on, yeah, Arpan. It's a feature for an existing client, okay? And what I am building is for the sales team so that they can acquire new clients and get more business.
Hold on, Jesse. Do you even
Hmm.
know how much pressure we have from existing clients? Your new
Yeah.
clients will come when they come. If the existing clients don't get service properly, they will move to a competitor. Existing business will also go. Do you even understand?
Our new business has been zero, okay? The sales team is not able to meet with the potential customers. They are not able to showcase the product features or give a demo. And if this continues, then Q2 will also go for a toss, yeah?
That's what I'm saying. No, new sales is yet to happen. So at least let's hang on what we have and service them well so that at least they stay with us. My feature will give them enough tools to manage their CRM, reports, MIS, response lead time,
Hmm.
everything. Right? None of our competitors has that today. It's a USP. It'll help us in retaining them and in our renewals as well. No way that I can give nothing to you. Yeah.
Arpan, with no pipeline, the business will not survive, okay? And the sales head has huge pressure from the CEO. I need a resource this week to sort out the features and migrate it for the clients. You have to release Nitin.
Jesse, stop talking like a child and being stubborn. Yeah. You need to figure out what you need to do. I'm sorry, Nitin is not available to you. I would
Fine.
like, yeah, I would have helped Jesse, but I can't.
Right.
My hands are tight here.
Okay, then if you are not going to help me, then I will have to report this to our manager.
Yeah.
Let him decide what is more important. Gosh, yeah, I didn't know our job could turn us into enemies like this.
I know, yeah. We always knew work will have issues.
Hmm.
However, turning on each other is not a solution, Jesse. Are we doing the
I
right thing here?
No, we are not. And but what do I do? Yeah. I mean, I went to the sales head last week and I asked for an extension. And do you know what his answer was? Point blank, Jesse, I will lose my job if we don't have new clients this quarter. So you beg, borrow, steal, whatever, get the features up and ready for a demo.
Our sales head always acts pricey. When I got
Yeah.
Nitin to work with me for a week because my work was pretty long, I actually asked for two resources. The answer that I got: no more
Uh,
resources, freeze on hiring, no intern, no temp, nothing. Multitask and get the work done. As if we are not multitasking earlier.
exactly. Multitask. Um, Multitasking, say, I was wondering, do you think Nitin can work on both the projects? I mean, he can work in double shifts. I can work on the weekends with him.
Yeah, come on, yeah. He's also a human being. He'll get drained out.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, he will, that's not the right
Yeah,
approach.
yeah.
Uh, what do we do? We really need to find a solution, and it's us only who needs to solve.
I think you're right. Yeah. Let's both take a step back here and rethink this. Right? Why
Right.
why is your product launch so important to you?
Okay, so I need Nitin for my product launch for the sales team because I have just a week. And you know how much pressure our sales head is putting on us for this, right?
Yeah.
And I need one more resource, and Nitin is the right person for this. And this is my target. My performance will suffer. What about you?
Yeah, Nitin is busy working on my new client servicing dashboard feature for the existing clients, right? The head key accounts is pressing it hard already. So just
Right.
like you have targets, so do I.
Yeah. What else? So, what if we didn't have targets? Would you still continue working on this?
That question, it's very interesting. Though I don't think it is going to happen. But yeah, to answer your question, I would definitely work on this because there is a great scope of learning for me in this, right? And also, it'll help improve our CSAT scores. This feature that I'm working on is going to carve a way for future, right? In a way, redefine how a client is serviced. How can you make the process more automated with minimal human effort? All of this put together. So
Right.
that's it. How about you? Would you work if there was no target on this project?
Yeah. See, for me, revenues really drive me. I like to chase it. I like my efforts quantified in money, and I want to contribute to the company's revenues. It's a great way for me to build credibility with the sales team and the sales head, and that will help us with future launches as well, and to build a relationship with the sales team. And you know how important that is.
Yeah, yeah. It's very interesting to discover here. Despite the fact that we grumble on how stressed we are, when we think of our reasons why we do it, we really like what we do, isn't it? And
Yeah.
come to think of it, we both have different targets, but the larger outcome still is the same. We are working towards benefiting our customers and for our organization's growth, isn't it?
Yeah. we yeah, and with this we also know that we have one more week for both the projects.
Yeah.
We have just one resource at hand, and in the current situation, multitasking seems to be the need of the hour, because hiring temps or external resources is out of the question. So with these constraints, how do we make this work?
Hmm. uh, let's try and see what options do we have, right? Whether these
Okay.
options are workable or not, we'll evaluate it later. But let's
Hmm.
just continue to see what all is possible.
Okay. uh, Can Nitin work with me for 1 week and then I can return him to you? I mean, could you renegotiate with the key accounts head?
I tried and failed miserably here. Not going to work. How about he probably works 1 day with me and 1 day with you, keeps jumping
Um,
in the two.
See, we need to be mindful of his mental well-being. I mean, 1 day on my project, 1 day on his project, your project, he might get extremely stressed out.
Yeah, I realize it's not going to help. Um,
Yeah.
can we also look at probably deploying someone under Nitin, like an associate, who could
There's no.
probably work a few hours every day so that we can work around it?
I'm not sure with the current workforce crunch that will happen, but taking a lead from what you said, tell me something. If you got an extra resource who is just as capable as Nitin,
Hmm.
how much time would it take you to finish this project?
With two resources, I did some projection earlier as well. It will probably take 3.5, 4 days max.
Okay. So that's what even I was thinking. For me, it would be the same.
Hmm.
So what my thought is what if both Nitin and I work on your project and complete it, and then for the next 3 to 5 days, you and Nitin work on my project?
Okay, that's interesting. So you mean
Hmm.
that we both work on each other's projects as well, is it?
Yeah,
That way you will get to chase not just new but existing revenues,
exactly.
and I will get to learn not just on my product feature but also on a product launch.
Hmm.
That's really intriguing. I like it. Yep, workable.
So if that seems like a workable idea, why don't we start with my product tomorrow?
But then for 3.5, 4 days, whatever it takes, what about my project till that? It'll suffer. And what if your project does not get completed in time or mine takes more? It's a risky proposition, yeah.
Yeah, I understand where you're coming from, but let's build on this idea. Let's see what we can do to work around this. At least we have started thinking in the right direction.
True, absolutely.